Understanding On-site Laundry, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might encounter in everyday life, especially if you're living or traveling in English-speaking countries. The phrase is on-site laundry. Let's dive in to understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, on-site laundry, consists of two parts. On-site means located at the same place or premises, often referring to a facility or a service within a building. Laundry refers to the place where clothes and linens are washed and dried. So, when combined, on-site laundry means a laundry facility that is located within the same premises, such as in an apartment building, hotel, or a residential complex. It implies convenience and accessibility for the residents or users. Now, let's look at how on-site laundry is used in real-life contexts. Imagine you are renting an apartment. The listing says, apartment with on-site laundry. This means you have access to a laundry room within your apartment building. It's a convenient feature, as you don't have to travel outside to wash your clothes. Similarly, in hotels, on-site laundry means guests can have their laundry done without leaving the hotel. To deepen our understanding, let's compare it with off-site laundry. Off-site laundry means the laundry facilities are not in the same building. You might have to walk or drive to a different location. This is less convenient compared to on-site laundry and often requires more time and planning. I hope this explanation helps clarify what on-site laundry means and how you can use it in your daily life. Remember, learning a language includes understanding these small yet significant phrases that make up the daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English language learning video.